What's up, guys? I'm so excited right now because my bass pants just came in the mail and I'm so excited. Yeah, let's open it up. Yeah, it's a pharaoh shape anyway. I've never had one. I had a domesticated, but yeah, I wanted to try the pharaoh, so yeah. Here's my domesticated. My old domesticated. Such a sick boy. Alright, let's open this now. Oh my god. So happy. Right, it's right here. I don't wanna see it yet. Oh, some tape. Really smooth. Oh yes. Sorry. A few stickers. I love these. Alright. Let's open. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. So sick. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Oh my days, man. Oh my god. This is sick. Look at the shape. Where's the other one? This is a domesticated shape. Yeah, wait. So sick. Look at this top ply, man. That's mad. James Peterson Pro model. That's crazy. So I got to do some things now, so I'll set it up later. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm about to set it up. So yeah, I gotta take off the tracks from this one, but like I gotta order new ones because this wheel doesn't roll. It's like stuck in the truck and it stops. I will have to deal with it for now, but hopefully I will get new ones really soon. Okay, before I put the tracks on and take them off from this one, I will put a little sticker on it. Yeah. Great. I will also put FPS instead of this one because I don't know, I prefer FPS. I will use this one anyway in the future, but FPS is my favorite, so okay, I'm gonna set up the bass pants now. I just finished putting on the rib tape and now I will put on the trucks. And here it is. Just set it up. I haven't done a trick yet, so I will do, I think I do tray flip in every single setup video, so I might do it as well in here. But first, let me put some wax on the sticker here so it doesn't ruin immediately. Okay, I haven't done a trick yet, so yeah, I might do I'm gonna do a tray flip. Let's go for it. Ooh, shit. This thing is good. Ooh. This shit is really good. If you want a basement, just check out their site right here. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Like, super high quality decks. The graphics are amazing. The pop is just crazy. I don't know, it performs greatly. I'm so happy with it. Look at this beautiful shape. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. See you in 1 week. And yeah, goodbye guys.